How to get back Windows 10 Video Editor app onto Windows 11. First, find the Windows 11 Photos app. Click the Settings button and then scroll down and find Photos Legacy menu. The prior Photos app is now called Photos Legacy and is available to download for free in the Microsoft Store. Click Get Photos Legacy button. You will be redirected to the Microsoft Store. Now you can get Photos Legacy app. To get the app, click Get button. Please wait until downloading and installing. After installing complete, then click the Open button. Job completed. Welcome to Photos Legacy. Explore your Photos Legacy app now. Click the Video Editor tab to open the Windows 10 Video Editor. Please wait until add-ons are installing. Okay, now you can use the video editor. Go to the Start menu to find your Photos Legacy app, or you can use the Windows search to find the app. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.